ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore, launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore, launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore, launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore, launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore, launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore, launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore. Launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore. Launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore. Launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore. Launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore. Launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
ये तेरी मदरशिप है?
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट विंडो है।
Presenting Realme P4 series, power to explore. Launching on 20th August on Flipkart.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Mr. Best, the ultimate showdown to find, of course, the best food. I'm Yukta, your host, and this isn't just a product launch. It's a practical exam. Today, we're unleashing two beasts with Realme, rewriting the rules of boldness without any compromise. Well, we're not here to overboard you with a long list of specs. We're here to test them. to push the Realme P4 series phones and the people using them to the absolute limit. Today, the devices will go through a series of challenges to see who the best is. We have 6 teams with 6 different devices, and now it's time to meet those teams. First up is Team 1. Welcome, Team 2. Hello, Team 3. Coming up next is Team 4. Hello, Team 5. And finally, Team 6. All here for one reason, to put our phones to the test and use their strategy to showcase each phone's power. But before we kick off, joining us is someone who's been pivotal in building the Realme P series. Please welcome Mr. Ambuj, the Product Strategy Manager, Realme India. Before we begin, we'd want to know more about Realme and their journey.
Sure. It's been a beautiful ride so far. Realme has made a bold move in the e-commerce market in India. The Realme One debuted in India and ignited an e-commerce explosion in the country. You know what? We sold 4 lakh units in just 40 days. Can you imagine? So far, we have witnessed the evolution of the generations of P series that resulted in more than 3 million online shipments globally. And now we have got the 4th. All the while, our priority has been to ensure that the youth who are hungry for better technology, better features, for adventure, and the desire to explore boldly never have to hold themselves back just because of the price point. And as a young at heart company, we strongly believe in one philosophy: no compromise for the youth. The Realme P4 series breaks every rule in the industry. One that is bolder, stronger, and better.
Lovely. As you can see, Mr. Ambuj here is the expert, and he'll talk us through today which phones made the difference and stood out in each task and why.
Should we bring in our phones? Introducing the Realme P4 series. Power to explore.
Woo! It's now time to see our 4 competitors, because we want to test against the best. So today, a gang of 24 will take in one phone at a time. But which phone? Well, that depends on fate. Now here's the drama and the twist. After every task, each team will be ranked based on the performance from 1 to 6. And now we get to pick the phones, but in reverse order. Which means the team that comes last gets to pick their phones first. And the team that comes first gets the last choice.
Ooh, now we're talking. This makes it super interesting, and I can't wait to start. Every moment counts, guys.
Woo! Team 6 gets Realme P4 Pro.
Oh,
Team 5 gets Realme P4.
woo!
Okay, here are the results. Team 1 gets T4. Team 2 gets 3A. Team 3 gets Z10. Team 4 gets 60 Fusion. Alright, I want to know from you, what's a phone's best test?
I think it's about how well it does.
1 and stop! Time's up, guys! Time's up! Round of applause for all the players! Now it's time for the results. Teams, are you excited? Yeah, okay. Wow, Realme P4 Pro has come first with 6 points. Congratulations. And now, the team whose player gets eliminated. Team 3 and Team 4. So sorry guys, unfortunately, your time ends here. With us in the first round itself, leaving your team with only 3 players. I'm sorry, but what went wrong?
To be honest, the device was very laggy. The motion graphics were bad. I'm actually very disappointed.
Ambuj, what is the secret behind this dominance?
So for the P4 Pro, we're using this new Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, the segment's most powerful processor, scoring an Antutu score of 1.1 million, guys. That's a flagship level power in a mid-range phone. While the other hovering around 7,50,000 to 8 lakh, the Realme P4 Pro is way ahead, touching 1.1 million.
Wow. So, Ambush, you're calling it a dual chipset smartphone, right? But is there anything additional it does?
Well, where do I begin? We've got a dedicated HyperVision AI chip. That is the only smartphone under 30K with a dedicated Vision AI chipset. Let me explain. When you're gaming, you're into it. Resolution, movements, frame stability is super important. So this time, we're introducing the HyperVision AI chip, the only phone in this segment to have a dedicated display chip, a technology that you normally see in a premium segment.
And now, Team 5, आप बताइए आपका experience कैसा था?
The game was too smooth. जब भी मैं खेल रहा था, तभी मेरे को लगा कि मैं real life में खेल रहा हूँ.
Wow.
Okay.
What makes these phones so cinematic and immersive?
A technology we call super resolution rendering. The results, lifelike visuals with sharper details, richer textures, and resolution up to 1.5K. And this is along while achieving a super high frame rate of 144 FPS. And not just high, but stable as well. So you must have felt smoother aiming, faster response, and a more immersive experience all around. No one else is doing it, like no one. It enhances the frame rate and resolution of dynamic scenes, delivering smoother and clearer visual effects. The ultra-low latency motion engine technology delivers ultra-smooth gaming experience, boosting the clarity of low-resolution content even without overburdening power consumption. This is the only smartphone in 30K segment capable of 1.5K and 144 FPS BGMI. We also have Game AI HyperMotion, Game Hyper Clarity for an always immersive and comfortable viewing experience. With the most powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 plus a dedicated HyperVision AI chip, you're getting a flagship level experience. I'm confident to say that this is the first time in the segment you are seeing performance that rival Snapdragon 8.
Guys, well played. It's time for the results now. Realme P4 Pro wins 6 points. Realme P4 also wins 6 points. On the third position, we have T4 getting 4 points. Team 5 and Team 6, unfortunately, you are eliminated in this round. But anyway, give a round of applause for all the players. Well played. Team 3 and Team 4, how did you manage to do it so fast?
The screen had high brightness and deep contrast. Also, the color grading was on mark, so it was very easy for me to recognize the colors.
Screen had such a high resolution, so it was so easy to distinguish between the colors.
This one's unlike anything you have seen in this segment. We are bringing a 144Hz HyperGlow 4D Curve Plus display. With a stunning curved edge design that doesn't just look premium, it feels incredibly smooth and immersive in your hand. This display is built to impress. Reaches up to 6500 nits peak brightness. Again, you don't have to believe me. we can just do a simple comparison with a competing product. While the peak brightness of these devices range between 3000 to 5000 nits, the Realme P4 Pro has got an impressive peak brightness of 6500 nits. It was a huge priority considering our screen time has increased. We have actually engineered the Hypervision for videos by incorporating features like AI Hyper Clarity, AI Hyper Motion, and always on HDR that ensures 300% resolution and frame rate improvement. With this top tier display and the power of our Hypervision AI chip, we have achieved visual quality that rivals professional monitors and even goes beyond what you'd expect from a Retina display.
Wow, that is some next level technology. Well, Realme has pioneered change without compromising on performance. Well, now, the last two teams, Team 5 and Team 6, the players are unfortunately eliminated, but don't worry, your teams get to choose first. Round of applause. All right, teams, you've seen power, you've seen clarity and speed. But now, let's test who can really lift the game. Woo! Okay, guys, for this challenge, we have tied all your phones to 100 balloons. And as you can see, your phones are just levitating.
We hold our phones for all day long. And for most of us, it's our strongest connection. So we know every gram counts.
All right, teams, excited? Ready? Let's go. On my mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 8. Okay, 9. You all right? Okay. 10. 3A. काफी नीचे आ चुका है. Okay. Moving on. 11. Still in the air. Oh, it's coming even lower.
Yeah.
12. Nice. Oh, 3A is now finally coming down. 13. Almost touching. Okay.
Almost gone.
We go for number 14. 3A has touched the table. Okay, 3A. So sorry, but you've been eliminated in this round, but you did well. Round of applause for all the teams. Woo! Well played, guys. Well played. Well, Ambuj, the 60 Fusion has just won it, but it doesn't have a big battery, right?
Yes. I'm proud to say that the Realme P4 Pro is India's slimmest smartphone in its segment with a 7000 mAh massive battery. And it's just 189 gram and 7.68 mm slim.
Nice. So it's slim, it's sleek, and look how beautiful. But Ambuj, can we have a vote on this design?
Sure. This time we're introducing 3 brand new color options: Birchwood, Dark Oakwood, and Midnight Ivy. But the one we are really excited about is our signature wood grain finish. It's like having nature's rain at your fingertips, and it's unlike anything else in the segment.
For the next round, the phone selection is... So, let's have a round of applause and please welcome our talented juggling artist here. This challenge is called Edit and Capture. Two things every content creator lives or dies by. And in a world where everyone has a camera, what really matters, Ambuj? Is it the eye or the edit?
I think it's both.
All right, let's go.
And then, surely
Oh.
there's a twist coming up.
That we'll reveal later. You have to use your phone's built-in edit tools, AI features or edit software, whatever magic you've got. You'll have to add a red suit and a hat on our juggler here. Think quick, edit slick. We have 45 seconds. Then we'll judge your output based on the quality of your edit and the smoothness of your video. And if your phone's not up to the task, jarring edit process, laggy filters, slow processing, then too bad. Because this round isn't just about capturing the moment, it's about owning it. All right, we just have 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay, guys, this was an interesting task. Now, this task has been judged by our juggler himself. And here are the scores. Uh-oh, team 3 and 5. Well, Ambuj, please decode this victory.
This one was pretty clear. You see the video? Everything the juggler is doing is crystal clear. The Realme P4 Pro supports 4K 60 FPS video recording on both front and rear cameras, which is something you rarely see in this price range. So you'll be able to see the smallest of the movements in the video very clearly. Just say what you want and your photo changes instantly. It's like having a pro editor in your phone, always one step ahead. Just say what you want, like make the background snowy or add a film look, and the AI does it for you. No tapping, no tweaking, just speak and it edits. And yes, it understands multiple languages. We've also created a full set of AI tools for photo creativity and everyday productivity, all designed with student life in mind. For photo lovers, we have got AI Landscape, which auto-adjusts your composition and applies the perfect frame all in one tap. Or you can use an AI eraser to remove photo bombers, clutter, or anything that shouldn't be there.
Now for the next task, the phone selection by the team is... Well, contestants, for this round, we're going to take photos from each of the 6 phones. Only difference is the phone camera quality. Now we're jumbling all 6 photos up. Can we have them put up on the display here? Each of them have numbers written under it. You have to guess which one is taken by the phone currently with you.
Number 2.
I think it's 2.
It's definitely number 2.
I guess it's the second one.
I think it's first.
Well, we have 3 winners. Realme P4 Pro and Realme P4 got the best photo. And team 1 for being self-aware enough to pick the bad quality photo taken from their phone.
Good one.
Ambuj, what makes the Realme P4 Pro stand out to such an extent?
With Realme P4 Pro, every shot is sharp and clear, no matter the scene. We've equipped it with segments only dual 50MP ultra clear camera. Let me break it down for you. We have 50MP Sony IMX896 OIS rear main camera, a 50MP front camera, and an 8MP ultra wide, giving you flagship level clarity from every angle. Whether you are out exploring with friends, snapping portraits on campus, or taking selfies, photos come out crisp and detailed and true to life. When we put a smartphone camera against our rivals, even then it completely outshines as it features an IMX896 Sony sensor with a 1.56-inch sensor size.
Lovely! Talking about levels, we're about to reach a final level. But before that... Team 2, 4 and 6, so sorry, but you'll have to be eliminated from this round. Never mind. You played well. Round of applause. By this point, we're down to the final task, but we want to make it fair. We've found out which teams haven't gotten the exact phone, so that's our final combination. I'll give it to you in your hands now. Alright teams, now it's time for the most chaotic challenge of the day. You've all pushed your phones through intense gaming, editing, color spotting, balloon lifting madness, but how's that battery doing? Let's find out. We're calling this one Battery Cures because it's not just about how long your phone lasts, it's what you do with that battery. So here's how it works. Every team will charge their phones for just 5 minutes from 1%, and once that's done, you'll get a rapid-fire list of tasks to complete before your battery gives out while your front camera video is on. Well, yes, because this time you have to be one with your phone. Why test the endurance of your phone when we can have fun and test you guys as well? So, after the charging is done, you have to keep the front camera on and record yourself while doing a plank until your battery dies.
At this point, they'll probably be hoping for the bad battery, so their struggle can end.
The faster your phone charges, the more you can do, and trust me, in this round, every percentage counts. It's digital stamina meets physical stamina, and only one phone's going to outlast the chaos and be ready to stay cool and play hard. Ready? Okay, 5 minutes. Go charge. Well.
The front camera quality of Realme P4 Pro is one of a kind as it has 50 MP front camera capable of 4K 60 FPS video recording. Ideal for vlogging. The battery percentage drainage has also been minimal with the Realme P4 Pro.
Ambuj, please spill the secret sauce.
As always with the Realme P series, we are not holding back. The Realme P4 series comes with the segment's best endurance combination. 7000 mAh Titan battery and 80 watt fast charging. That means all day power and then some more. You can go to class, stream videos, play games, scroll social media, hit the gym, go out with the friends, and still have battery left when you get back. Additionally, flagship level bypass charging technology and reverse charging also work with the Realme P4 Pro. So Realme P4 Pro and Realme P4 teams, you still have the battery left, right? Also, let me tell you that even if you play BGMI at 90 FPS, the Realme P4 Pro can sustain for 8.2 hours. Way better than the others.
With so much battery, no wonder it gives you the power to explore. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of all tasks. Let's have a round of applause for everyone who performed. And now, let's see the final points tally. Let's have a round of applause for Realme P4 Pro for being Mr. Best. 6 teams, 6 brutal rounds. You've gamed, guessed, lifted, edited, push-ups, and absolutely grilled your devices through every possible real-world challenge. And only 2 phones consistently kept up, or rather, stayed ahead every single time. I mean, dude, we've got to stop this game because the Realme P4 Pro and the Realme P4 have been knocking it out of the park. Can you sum up this dominance, Ambuj?
Sure, I'll sum it up. The Realme P4 Pro isn't just another smartphone. It's a bold statement driven by our belief in pioneering power to explore. We have built something that redefines this category. The only dual-chip smartphone in its class. Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 plus HyperVision AI chip, delivering disruptive performance you can feel every day. Next level visuals. With up to 1.5K resolution and 144 FPS running side by side thanks to advanced display architecture. Full scene imaging with front and rear 50 MP cameras, ultra clear 4K 60 FPS video recording, and smart AI tools that capture every moment beautifully. Smarter AI. Multiple features to enhance creativity and productivity, from photo editing to efficiency tools. The power that lasts. A massive 7000 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charging. No anxiety, no limits. This is Realme P4 Pro. Pioneering, powerful, and made to explore more.
Lovely. Now let's talk about Realme P4.
Yes. So we have another all-rounder smartphone debuting with this product line. The Realme P4, which is built on the same DNA as Realme P4 Pro. The segment's only dual-chip powerhouse, which is equipped with MediaTek Dimensity 7400 and HyperVision AI chip, a smooth 144Hz HyperGlow AMOLED display, same pro-level battery and charging, massive 7000 mAh battery with 80-watt ultra charging, and our full scene AI imaging system, 4K 50MP ultra clear camera. All in a bold, lightweight, metal hard design. It brings the same powerful experience now at a more accessible price. Whether you want the ultimate with Realme P4 Pro or smart value with the Realme P4, the power to explore is yours. The Realme P4 series is truly our bold return to the e-commerce battlefield, and it aims to set a new standard for devices in this space. We have tried to engineer a truly uncompromising and pioneering device. We have always believed that great technology shouldn't just meet expectations, it should exceed them. Now, with the new Realme P4 series, we are taking it one step further. We are building devices that embody the power plus pioneer ideology. The Realme P4 series is our most daring e-commerce series yet because it's an all-rounder without compromise. We have packed every essential feature into this device, pushing the boundaries of what you thought was possible at this price point.
All right. You've used the device, you've pushed it, you've done plugs for it, and now it's absolutely clear which phones get the title of Mr. Best. But now it's time to decide how much do you think the Realme P4 and Realme P4 Pro costs?
All right. We have seen the design, the cameras, the features, the full spec sheet. But before we move on to the pricing, let's take a moment to see how the Realme P4 Pro stacks up against smartphones with dual chipset. The Realme P4 Pro comes with a dual chip architecture, featuring the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 and a HyperVision AI chip, the only dedicated display chip in this segment, while our competition like Neo 10 or competitor 13 offer powerful chipsets. They don't pair them with a dedicated display or imaging processor like we do. Let's talk about the display. The Realme P4 Pro comes with a 6.8-inch 1.5K AMOLED, a 144Hz refresh rate, a quad curved body, and a 6500 nits peak brightness, compared to the flat displays and lesser brightness offered by our competition. From dual chip architecture to display, the Realme P4 Pro outshines them all. So after looking at all the specs, what do you think will be the price of a smartphone? Any guesses? 31,999. Did I hear this right? Seems fair, right? I mean, dual chip, 144Hz AMOLED quad curved screen, 7000 mAh battery, 80-watt charging, premium build. So this is justified, right? Still not convinced? Let's show you once again spec-to-spec comparison with all our competitors that we tested the Realme P4 Pro against today. The Realme P4 Pro has dual chipset, the only smartphone in the segment to have one. With a 144Hz quad curved screen, it has got the best display against the competitors in the segment. The camera combination is unreal. The P4 Pro has both 50MP front and rear camera, something unheard of in this segment. And then we have a strong battery and charging combination, a design that's head-turning and also lightweight. But here's the twist. You don't need to pay a premium or compromise on any feature, because that's the Realme way. The Realme P4 Pro 5G starts at just 21,999. Hang on. What if I tell you it's even lesser? Yes, you heard it right. We have an additional offer of 2,000 rupees. So, the Realme Pro 5G starts at just 19,999. The Realme P4 Pro is available in 3 colors and 3 powerful variants to match your vibe. The 8GB 128GB is priced at 24,999 rupees. And after a bank discount of 3,000 rupees and exchange offer of 2,000 rupees, it will be available at just 19,999. The 8GB 256GB is priced at 26,999 rupees, and after discount of 3,000 rupees and 2,000 exchange offer, it will be available at just 21,999. And the 12GB 256GB is priced at 28,999, and after a bank discount of 3,000 rupees and exchange bonus of 2,000 rupees, it will be available at just 23,999. The first sale for the Realme P4 Pro 5G starts from 27th August, 12 noon onwards on realme.com, Realme Store app, Flipkart and stores near you. The 5,000 limited time offer will be available for 12 hours only, so you grab your Realme P4 Pro on the first sale day. The Realme P4. It is available in 3 sleek colors and comes in 3 smart variants built for bold, everyday performance. The 6GB and 128GB variant is priced at 18,499 rupees, and after a bank discount of 2,500 rupees and 1,000 rupees of exchange offer, it will be available at just 14,999 rupees. The 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 19,499 rupees, and after a bank discount of 2,500 and 1,000 rupees of exchange offer, it will be available at just 15,999 rupees only. The 8GB 256GB variant is priced at just 21,499 rupees, and after a bank discount of 2,500 rupees and 1,000 rupees of exchange offer, it will be available at just 17,999 rupees only. Isn't that crazy pricing? And the early bird sale kicks off today at 6 p.m. So if you are watching this, the countdown has already begun. The first sale for the Realme P4 5G starts from 25th August, 12 noon onwards on realme.com, the Realme Store app, Flipkart and stores near you. The 3,500 rupees limited time offer is valid only during the early bird sale and the first sale day for 12 hours. Still wondering how it stacks up? Let's do a quick reality check. Competitor Fusion 60 starts from 20,999 rupees and the Realme P4 Pro at just 19,999 rupees only. Ready to crush the competition now and also prepared to challenge the next. No contest, no excuses, just real power at real price.
Yeah, that face, that's the real test result. A round of applause for the Realme P4 and the Realme P4 Pro.
Woo!
Honestly, this wasn't just a launch, it was a proper exam. Under pressure with lots of stress and in the hands of young creators. I'm your host signing off from the biggest launch challenge India's ever seen for Realme P4 Pro and Realme P4. Tested, trusted and ready for the power to explore. Until next time, keep creating, keep playing, keep exploring and as always, keep it real.